It's Josh with Knapp Business Solutions, Tax.pro. Wanted to answer a question that we get relatively often. This one comes from Janet in Washington. And Janet asks, I filed my original return, and after I filed it, I found a mistake. How do I correct this error? Well, Janet, that's a great question. And what I would tell you is there is a system in place called an amended return that IRS has created to deal with this problem. What you do is you fill out the Form 1040X and you'll file that as a correction on your original return. This can be a little bit tricky because you have to explain the differences between what was filed on the original return and what is filed on the amended return. Of course, if you have a balance due, you'll need to pay that, or if you've got a refund, IRS will refund that difference. If you need some help with this or any other tax issues, please reach out to us. You can find out more on how to get in touch through the caption below. We look forward to serving you. Have a great day.